and blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I create my little stickers that I put in my thank you packages whenever someone buys something from my Insta shop. Again, the link to my Instagram shop is down below. It's kikididdat shop, and my main art Instagram is kikididdat. So yeah, both links will be down below, and I'm just showing you guys how I make my stickers. And these stickers themselves, there will be 4 of each available in my shop, and these are limited edition, so if you'd like to grab some, go check that out and purchase them from me. As far as supplies, I will have all of the supplies that I'm using listed down below in the description box. One item that I showed and did not end up using was my X-Acto blade. I thought I would be using it for the smaller parts, but I just ended up giving the ones that were more difficult to cut with the scissors, just giving it a white border around so I wouldn't have to worry about all the tiny little cuts. For the first batch of stickers, I'm doing some fruit inspired stickers, and the one I'm coloring right now using the Ohuhu marker number 15, which is this cherry red. I'm coloring the cherries, as well as using the number 6 or 9. I can't tell if it's backwards. It's like this hot pink, electric pink color to do some highlights. And yeah, for most of the base tones and background colors, I use the Ohuhu markers, and to just add some shadowing and highlights, I use the Faber-Castell Polychromes 24 pack, which I also did a couple videos reviewing those if you'd like to check them out. I went over with my white 08 Gellyroll to just add some little highlights before adding shadows and other colorful highlights with the color pencils. Since I knew the color pencil and the Gellyroll don't work very well together, I wanted to just have those bright highlights with the white Gellyroll and then later go over to have some shadowing with the color pencils. I was happy with the highlights and shadows that I added to the stickers. I brought out my scissors and my cutting mat, even though I didn't end up using the cutting mat for what I intended on it, but just to collect the paper and throw them away and just make the process cleaner. And yeah, I just cut all the stickers into their own separate sections so I can cut them cleanly and just make sure I'm getting in the crevices and corners of the stickers. I didn't want a white border around. For my second batch of stickers, I wanted to do something succulent and plant themed with a lot of greenery, since that's my second favorite thing to draw. So fruits and plants, that's literally what I'm about on this channel, and some few characters here and there. So here I am just inking with the Papermate black pen and just erasing the pencil lines before adding some color with the Ohuhu markers again. So as you can see, it's the same process I did with the fruit stickers, adding the marker Ohuhu base, then adding white Gellyroll, and then adding the color pencils for shadows and highlights necessary. And that's how I was getting the colors that I wanted for the fruit stickers as well as the plant stickers. And again, just like the fruit stickers, the plant stickers and succulent stickers will be available on my shop on Instagram. I'll have the link down below in the description box. Once again, it's kikididdat shop, just like my main art Instagram page, but just shop at the end if you're curious about purchasing anything or any of my work or prints of my work. And this is the final product of both of my sticker packs, the fruit sticker pack and the plant sticker pack. And this is just me showing off each individual sticker and how they will come. Very easy peel off paper back. And they're super nice, and I hope you guys can cop them by checking out the description box with my Instagram shop down below if you are interested. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another video. See you in the next one.